I deleted them.
Why?
So I didn't want them.
That's funny.
Nice video.
Yeah, I know. She got the green light on.
I know. I do. Green light on this power button.
Duh! What are you doing?
In the lap of Britney's bosom. I love that laugh. I heard it so many times the last couple days. Like, oh my god.
Seriously,
You what?
seriously,
Heard her laugh at that so many times.
I'm
Laughed it.
sorry. It's
Do it again. Do it again.
Do it.
No! They're my boobs, Terry. They're mine. They stay in my shirt.
No.
Oh, it doesn't work when I do it.
You guys are disgusting. Yo, there's a window there. That was almost my face.
I know.
Where's
Ew.
my brush so I can take them off?
Take down your pants. What was that?
Yeah, I
Terry
want to
never
take
has
off my
pants on. Why do you guys always pull down my shirts, pull down my
Brittany, what's on your forehead? It looks like she's a unibrow.
Oh.
It looks like makeup smudged or something. It
See.
looks like a unibrow.
Oh, what the? Oh, it is makeup.
I was thinking of a unibrow. What are you doing?
Guys, I have makeup running down my eyes. Look.
You can't see it, but you're not in the light. Turn around. Wait. Move over.
Wow, that's bad.
Oh, wow. Say hello to Brittany.
I don't see anything. The makeup's down here. How does that make my unibrow?
Justin. It was up here. It was up on her.
Guys, listen to this. Listen to this.
Would you do me a favor and eat my pussy for me?
Oh my god. I'll send that to Brittany sometime. What? Why? Cause I'm a lesbian. Oh. Corey's girlfriend's a lesbian.
That means Corey's a lesbian too.
I bet you Corey is a lesbian.
Oh, wow.
Hey, is that British boy? Yeah, do random people just make these?